Welcome back to Today. We're diving into one of Australia's most iconic and beloved snacks, Vegemite on toast. You might think it's just a simple spread on bread, but there's so much more to this savory delight than meets the eye. Stick around as we uncover some surprising facts and the fascinating history behind Vegemite. Vegemite was created in 1923 by Cyril Collister, an Australian food scientist. The spread was developed as a way to use up leftover brewer's yeast during beer production. Despite its humble beginnings, Vegemite has become a national symbol and a staple in Aussie kitchens. Now, here's an interesting fact. Did you know that Vegemite was initially a commercial failure? When it was first introduced, people weren't sure what to make of its strong, salty flavor. But thanks to a successful rebranding campaign in the 1930s, it eventually won the hearts and taste buds of Australians. Vegemite is more than just a tasty spread, it's packed with nutrients. Rich in B vitamins like B1, B2, B3, and folate, it's been marketed as a health food for generations. During World War II, it was even included in Australian soldiers' rations to keep them energized and healthy. While Vegemite on toast is the classic way to enjoy it, Aussies have gotten pretty creative with this spread. You'll find it used in sandwiches, crackers, scrolls, and even as a seasoning for soups and stews. Some adventurous chefs even incorporate it into desserts. Yes, you heard that right. Here's a fun one. Vegemite was banned in the United States for a short time due to its high folate content, which conflicted with U.S. food fortification laws. Thankfully, the ban didn't last long, and Vegemite fans in America can now enjoy their favorite spread again. Did you know that Vegemite on toast is a popular comfort food for Aussie kids? Many parents cut the toast into fun shapes like animals or stars to make it more appealing. It's not just food, it's a childhood memory for many Australians. Although Vegemite is synonymous with Australia, it's enjoyed by people around the world. In fact, there are entire Vegemite fan clubs and online communities where people share recipes and creative ways to use the spread. If you've never tried Vegemite, here's a tip. Go easy on the spread. A little goes a long way. First-timers often make the mistake of slathering it on like peanut butter, only to be overwhelmed by its strong, salty flavor. Trust me, less is more. Here's something surprising. Some people pair Vegemite with avocado, cheese, or even honey. It might sound strange, but these combinations bring out the umami flavor of Vegemite in unexpected ways. Don't knock it till you try it. Vegemite often gets compared to Marmite, its British counterpart. While both are yeast-based spreads, Vegemite is saltier and has a stronger umami punch, while Marmite has a slightly sweeter taste. Aussies will tell you there's no contest. Vegemite is the winner every time. Here's a historical nugget. Vegemite was created during the Great Depression. Its affordability and nutritional value made it a pantry essential for struggling families. Over time, it became a symbol of resilience and ingenuity in tough times. The flavor of Vegemite is unlike anything else. It's intensely savory with a hint of bitterness, a strong umami punch, and a salty kick. This unique combination has divided taste buds around the world. You either love it or hate it. Vegemite owes its flavor to glutamates, the compounds responsible for umami taste. Interestingly, umami is the same flavor profile found in aged cheese and soy sauce. This explains why Vegemite pairs so well with creamy or salty foods like cheese and butter. During World War II, Vegemite became a staple in Australian military rations. Its high vitamin content helped soldiers maintain their health, and its long shelf life made it perfect for overseas deployment. Civilians at home were also encouraged to include it in their diets for better nutrition. While Vegemite is a household name in Australia, it's surprisingly hard to find in some parts of the world. Expats and Vegemite enthusiasts often stock up when visiting Australia or order it online to satisfy their cravings. Vegemite is made using leftover brewer's yeast, which is a byproduct of beer production. The yeast is blended with salt, malt extract, vegetable extract, and B vitamins. Despite its simple ingredients, the process of creating the perfect consistency and flavor is a closely guarded secret. There's an ongoing debate about Vegemite's health benefits. While it's rich in vitamins, its high salt content means it's best enjoyed in moderation. But hey, a little spread on toast can't hurt, right? Vegemite has become a popular challenge for non-Australians. From YouTubers to TikTokers, trying Vegemite for the first time often leads to hilarious reactions. But those who get the balance right often find themselves falling in love with its unique taste. Whether you're an Aussie native or someone curious to try this iconic spread, Vegemite is a taste of Australia in every bite. From its surprising health benefits to its deep cultural roots, Vegemite on toast is more than just a snack, it's a tradition. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures. Catch you next time.